This is our driveway. It's going to be 15 feet wide and about 180 feet in length. We used the 57s. We have the non-woven fabric. I believe the 8-ounce. And then we have the Geocell 4-inch. It took a little bit to get used to, but we eventually got it down. We'll have to cut to fill this portion in. And then make sure you get several of these clips. A pack on Amazon is anywhere from $10 to $15. Highly recommend this, and you can tell a noticeable difference. Very packed.